Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, you can see I'm getting this reset filter, filter error, you can say, indication of on my GE profile refrigerator. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how you can change your filter. What I have done, I have gone to Amazon and I have purchased this Ice Pure filter. So I'm going to show you. So first, like you can see, this is a pack of 3. So I'm going to take one out, okay, and now I'm going to open it. So this is how it looks. We need to remove the plastic and this paper cover also we have to remove. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so now this is ready to be installed. You see lock indicator and start indicator too. So the very first thing, we are going to take the existing filter out. So I opened the refrigerator GE Smart Plus. So this is where I have to, like, you just for the existing one, move it anti-clockwise and it's gonna be loosened. Okay, this is out. Okay, now we are gonna bring a new one. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the indicator. You see indicator, this arrows I'm gonna align, okay, and try to move it clockwise. It will get locked very easily. So now it is installed. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold it for 3 seconds. Yeah, it's gone. Sometimes you may need to do it twice. Now it's all ready to go. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.